Hi alien students, hope everyone is doing good. It's been some time since I have done let's say a video on Revit MEP. Yeah, so as usual, I thought let me teach something beautiful, something interesting. All my classes are generally interesting, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, anyway, so let's start. Okay, today I'm going to teach you something regarding Revit MEP. It is the basics. You start with this. Okay, you're going to learn many things today. Sit back, enjoy, and then give me a comment in the comment section. Okay, and then tell me, John, I've entered alien planet. I said, welcome. Anyway, so let's start. Okay, we have a blank screen. Okay, maybe in the next class or something I'll show you the latest version of Revit. Anyway, the story is same, isn't it? 1 + 1 is 2. So we are here and you are there. Yeah, we are here, I'm here, there. Okay, anyway, click new. Okay, I want you to give me an answer. I want you to tell me in the comment section. John, what's the difference between default, electrical, system, mechanical and plumbing? Okay, we have different templates. Okay, now my question is, before we speak too much, before I speak French, okay, what's a template? Yeah, what's a template? Okay, that's the first question. I want you to answer the question, okay? And then I will answer the question also, don't worry. Okay, second thing, when do I use a default? When do I use electrical? When do I use system? And when do I use mechanical? When do I use plumbing? Okay, so I'd like you to give me the answers, and then I will tell you the answer. Okay, it's not that I choose the answers from you. Okay, for this case I'm going to select system default metric. Can you see the system default metric? Yeah, select that and click OK. Metric means you are in millimeters, metric units, isn't it? Not imperial units. Okay, so click OK, and then let what's his name, Revit, take his time to load the file. Okay, sometimes Revit, he's not had his cup of coffee today, so you need to feel for him. Okay, we've opened the Revit normal blank file, isn't it? And for today, not for today, mostly, okay, most of the time we are MEP people, isn't it? John focuses more on MEP. Architecture, structure can be done, but for today we are using the MEP engineers. Okay, anyway, so we are back here and this is the story, isn't it? Yeah. Then what I would tell you is, we are in MEP, right? Go to the system tab, and this is your new home, I would say, isn't it? Welcome to alien planet. Okay, now what this video is for? What? Okay, now let's say till yesterday, till last hour, or let's say before you saw this video, I assume that you've been using AutoCAD. Okay, because most of the people are still using AutoCAD, isn't it? AutoCAD is still existing. So how do I bring in AutoCAD file? That's a good question. How do I bring AutoCAD file? Second, okay, I'm going to bring it. It's called, go to the insert tab. Can you see the insert tab? It's next to the system. Maybe my configuration is different. Mine is alien computer. You might have the same configuration too. You never know. Anyway, so here we have two options. One is link CAD. Another one is import CAD. Can you see this? Import, link. You know what's coming, right? What's the difference between link CAD and what's the difference between import CAD? Sure, Revit, the Autodesk is not crazy to create two options, isn't it? Yeah, anyway, so for time being I'm going to click link CAD, and then we're going to link file. Okay, I have linked the file and I'm waiting for the linking process. Just went to link CAD, and then I clicked the file which I wanted to link, preserve colors, and then this beautiful file has been linked. Okay, what's coming up? First question I want to ask you. First question, something beautiful. One thing is, this color doesn't look so good. Okay, now imagine Okay, now imagine, just imagine, imagine. Okay, I want to ask you, this object here, this wall or whatever, this door. Okay, this is a door, isn't it? Which layer is it? In AutoCAD you have concept of layers, and I believe this black and white stuff, you see here, this yellow, in AutoCAD yellow looks very good, but in Revit it's giving me headache, isn't it? So my question is, how do you change the color? Okay, what what's your homework? In the comment section, tell me, John, this is the story, this is the way I do it, this is the way I would do it. Okay, so first question is, I want to know which layer these objects are. Yeah, for example, this door, which layer is it in? Okay, one option would be, I would consider that as the human answer is, John, open this in AutoCAD, and then I would find layer properties, and then you get the picture, right? But if suppose I didn't have AutoCAD, then yeah, okay, so I show you what to do. Okay, see, sometimes you have, this is another story, I'm trying to select this AutoCAD file, but I'm not able to select. It is there, it is existing, it is there in front of you, but I can't select it. Why can I not select it? Okay, I want you to give me that answer too. Okay, because come on, you don't everything, you need to give me the answer. Okay, this is your homework. Give me, I've asked many questions, and I would like you to just tell me, John, I think it's this, in my opinion it's this. Fine, be my guest. Okay, this is done. Why I'm not able to select? Okay, anyway, now you will see magic, still you're not able to select. Okay, John, you're able to select. Okay, I've done something. Okay, I want you to tell me the answer. I'll teach you how to do it. I want you to try. It's called, you need to try. Okay, so what we did was we linked the file. Okay, first thing what you do is, okay, if it was not pinned, pin the file. Pin it. Just select the file. You will see it become highlighting blue. Click pin. Any comments? Okay. Now you can select the file. You can see this beautiful pin here. Can you see this beautiful pin? Good. Okay, you can see. Okay, now next to the second question, the question which I asked before, how do I know which object is layer? Because in AutoCAD it's all layers, isn't it? It would be nice if Revit would be that helpful, telling me, John, this object is in this layer. Good, excellent. Okay. Second question is, and I say, you can count the sequence. I've lost the track on the sequence. Okay. I would like to change the color. I would like to change the doors, which is here, from red to some other color, maybe say green or some color which I can see. Or a better question would be, all these layers and all these objects in Revit, which I've linked by AutoCAD, the AutoCAD file, I want them to be in black or some color, some imaginary color, whichever color you like, you can put it. Okay, but I want to just share you one thing. It's called the procedure. John follows procedure, isn't it? Okay, the procedure is as follows. Once you link a file, what I said, pin it, isn't it? This is not a Revit. This file is not a Revit file. It is a DWG. That means what? It's an AutoCAD file. AutoCAD drawing. Okay, yeah. What I would do is, okay, for some reason in this file there is no dimensions, isn't it? So I wouldn't assume, this is called a foolish answer, but let's suppose, okay, I hope no dimensions whatsoever. Okay, I tell you, suppose, imagine, okay, we imagine there was some dimension. That was, this dimension is not from my dimension, it was, okay, this was, already, an example I'm giving, what I'm trying to convey messages. See, when I selected this, imagine this also got selected. I mean, this dimension was already indicated by whom? By the guy who drew the drawing, isn't it? Yeah. So what I would do is, okay, this is called a check. Go on top, measure between two references. Click that. Click one reference point and click the second reference point. Can you see here? If you get the same number, that means what? The object is need not be scaled. Otherwise, you need to scale the object. Okay, this is one alien trick. You need to do it. Okay, isn't it? Okay, then what you can do is just delete this. Okay, imagine it was there, and then let's move forward. Okay, I've linked it, and then isn't it? Okay, back to the question, John. layer. Which layer is this? Which layer is this? Isn't it? How do I change the color? Okay, it's very simple. Select the link. Can you see query here? Click that and click which object you want to see. This one. It's in the A door layer. See, layer is this. Okay, you can hide it or delete it. I won't recommend you deleting anything here in this file, because once you delete it, it's gone. So it's better to hide. If you don't want to see it, hide it. Okay, now question is, I've hidden it. After some time I changed my mind. This is dangerous, isn't it? You change your mind, it is dangerous. John, I wanted to bring it back. No, I can't select it. Leave it. Was there before. I can select it. It is there here, but I can't select it now. How do I bring it back? You know, you have the comment section for a reason. This is a comment section for a reason, isn't it? I would like you to give me your answer in the comment section. Okay, any comments? Okay, I think what we'll do is, in the next part I teach you how to do it. I'm looking forward for your answers. Okay, how do I get this back? How do I change the color? Okay, what are the different types of linking? What's the difference between insert link CAD and import CAD? How do I change the color? Okay, just kind of, you know, just say hi, hello, brush up class today. And yeah, I think that's it, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, I hope everybody enjoyed today's class. See you all fresh and energized in the next class. Yalla, take care. See ya. Bye.